Good morning, Asia. Good evening, USA. Wall Street's closed. The thing I want to point out is two things. One, we'll get to the price action in the US stock market. But yesterday in Asia, China's exports had grown 7%. Now, that wasn't as high as was expected. And it was down on the previous result of 8.4, but it's still a very strong export growth number. So, China continues to get wealthier. And then we had Germany's exports down 3.4%. And that very much is the way of the world. Now, coming back to the US stock market, as I warned yesterday, don't be sold this idea of this rally being a turnaround. It's just a brief rally, and I expected the market to be sold off the next day, which it has been, but not to new lows yet. So we could see some oscillating price action over the next week or so in this range before going lower, but that's the most positive I can be. That is the most bullish view of the world at this point. The more likely scenario is that we actually see the market just fall away. But it's only more likely by a few percentage points. But I wanted to warn you of it because that's what I do here. I try to warn people of what's really going on. And I don't get it all. I don't get it right all the time, but I make some strong forecasts. I put myself out there to try and get a more balanced narrative happening in this marketplace that's been driven by, fund and bank broker driven advertising and narratives on the financial media headlines. And I'm trying to break people free and out of that. cliffordbennett.com.au. Thanks very much for listening in. Don't forget propex24.com.au. Oh, sorry, just propex24.com. I haven't had my coffee. propex24.com, who sponsor these videos. Thank you very much. All right, have a great day, everyone. My warning is stocks can fall further. It's still just the beginning. Think big quantum macro, step back. This is not a volatility correction. This is a new massive fundamental trend. Hope it helps.